Hello YouTube, I'm Connor, and today I'll be showing you how to install Windows 10 onto your Mac. First thing we're going to want to do is to download a Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft. Go to your preferred search engine and search for Microsoft Windows 10 ISO. Click on the download link from Microsoft. Scroll down to where it says Select Edition and select the latest version. Proceed by selecting your preferred language and then select 64-bit download. This does take some time, however, I have already downloaded it. Once the download has finished, open the Finder and go to Applications. Scroll down until you see Utilities and open the BootCamp application. This screen just reminds you that you should back up your computer before you start. After clicking Continue, BootCamp should automatically find the ISO image that we downloaded earlier. If not, you can select Choose to manually find the file. This screen is also where you can select how much storage you want to dedicate to Windows with the slider in the middle. One thing to remember before moving on is that this cannot be changed once selected. Once you've decided the partition size, click Install. If your Mac is a laptop, the application will remind you to plug it into the charger so that way it doesn't die during installation. Once plugged in, press Continue. This process may take a while, but once it is finished, your Mac will automatically restart into Windows Installer. Once inside of the Windows installer, select your preferred language and country. It will then ask you for a product key. If you don't have one of these and plan to enter it later like me, select I do not have a product key. Next, you can choose the version of Windows 10 you would like to install. Most people will select the Windows 10 Home Edition. However, I will be selecting the Windows 10 Pro Edition. After clicking Next and agreeing to the terms and conditions, Windows 10 will be installed to your Mac. Once again, this may take a while to complete. After your Mac restarts, the Windows Setup screen will appear. This is where you once again select your location and language. You will also connect your Mac to Wi-Fi, acknowledge what you are using this copy of Windows for, add a PIN for the login, and then select which feature you would like to be enabled. Finally, you can choose your privacy settings. Afterwards, Windows will set itself up. After Windows installs all of the necessary software, you'll be greeted with the desktop and the BootCamp application. Here, you'll want to accept the terms and conditions and install the BootCamp software. This is vital to your Mac as it will install all of the necessary drivers in order for your Mac to work properly in Windows. After completion, you'll be asked to restart your Mac. After this reboot, your Mac is now fully complete with a fresh new install of Windows 10. Now, you might be asking yourself, how do I switch back to macOS? Well, after shutting down your computer, turn it back on while holding the Option key. This is where you can select whether you want to boot into macOS or Windows 10. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you found it helpful, let me know by leaving a like on the video. And if you want to see more helpful videos like this, as well as other content such as video gaming and old hardware videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.